I'm in my daughter's room. We're gonna take this vanity table out of the box, make sure that it is packed properly, make sure that it has all the pieces. Let me start by saying the box comes nondescript. If you're ordering this as a present, there's no way they can tell what's inside of it. However, this box is extremely heavy. There's no way I could carry this box by myself. Mirror came cracked. True shame. Boo, boo, boo. There are a lot of pieces, so make sure you get everything out of the box. This is an interesting texture. It looks like faux leather in pattern. It feels a little bit bumpy. It's not just the plain, shiny, typical surface that you get for shelves and whatnot. This is a little different texture. This seat is really cute. It matches the color perfectly. It has a funky, funky odor. I can't describe it. I can't describe it. This smells almost like leather, but I think it's this that has the scent, and it just feels like something in your refrigerator has turned. Instructions, cord. In our bag, we have all our tools. These little cap things are this kind of faux leather that's on the wood. That's interesting. It was packed properly. This styrofoam was at both ends, on both sides, and in between each layer of wood. I don't know how the glass managed to get cracked. In addition to the packing, all of it was wrapped in this soft packing material, this kind. And then in addition to that, it had the hard pieces of cardboard on the ends to protect the ends. No other pieces were damaged. There are no broken edges to any of the wood. There are no cracks of any kind. The only damage to anything was the mirror. I can appreciate all the packing. Now I'm going to find out how they are with sending replacements. I am delighted to report that they replaced the mirror. It slides back and forth. You can hide stuff in there. You can put it in the middle. Isn't that fantastic? I am very pleased with this company, and I love this.